Welcome to Crosswinds Tagaytay dito sa Alpine Villa.
From Brittany by Vistaland, the country's pioneer and premier name in themed luxury residential developments.
Wherein this one-bedroom unit with spacious size, 68 square meter, with enormous balcony connected to your bedroom, plus perfecto for Airbnb business. Merong good news if you will invest or purchase this unit for cash, spot cash, you will receive 60% discount from the total contract price. So from 32 million, it will be 16 million or 13 million. So that's huge discount and rebates. So take or seize the opportunity right now. Welcome to Alpine Villas. So let me demonstrate this unit. So para mas makita nyo kung gaano kalaki itong one bedroom. Let's go!
Welcome to Alpine Villas at Crosswinds Tagaytay, where Swiss-inspired elegance meets the refreshing breezes of Tagaytay's hills. Nestled among 35,000 pine trees and perched 582 meters above sea level. This exclusive enclave offers sweeping views, chalet-style charm, and seamless access to world-class dining and attractions. Enjoy resort-like amenities, gym, pool, clubhouse, and lush landscaping, all secured with 24/7 concierge and CCTV. Whether as a weekend, getaway, or long-term investment, Alpine Villas redefines tranquility and convenience. Just a few minutes from Manila, Alpine Villas at Crosswinds escape, relax, and belong.
So maganda, 'di ba? If gusto mo yung ganitong unit, malaking sukat, malaking size, one bedroom unit, perfect for Airbnb business. Ayan, dito yan sa Crosswinds Tagaytay. May enjoy mo yung 60% spot cash or discount or rebates kapag pinurchase mo siya as cash payment. And pwede tayong mag-conduct ng site viewing, and pwede kayong pumili sa aming limited units sa Alpine Villa. And yan, para masimulan nyo na yung Airbnb business nyo dito sa Crosswinds Tagaytay. Ma-enjoy mo yung napakagandang ambience here, napakaraming perks and points of interest dahil ang Tagaytay is second summer capital of the Philippines. So, message me directly kapag gusto nyong mag-invest dito sa Alpine Villa. By the way, I'm Jose Armenia. I'm the country manager of Vistaland. So, I'll see you soon!
Set the rise in Crosswinds, the prime and iconic Swiss-inspired destination in Tagaytay City, embraced by over 35,000 pine trees, is a collection of low-rise villas in the style of Swiss chalets. Alpine Villas.